So draw the projection of a cone of base 60 mm diameter and axis 70 mm long resting on HP with its axis parallel to the VP. The axis is parallel to the VP and making an angle 30 degree with the HP. That means like this. Okay, first we can do the base is, that means the base of the cone is totally resting on HP. Then we rotate the axis 30 degree. So here the same thing we can do. So for that, first we make the reference plane. Now we make the base is 60 mm diameter, so measure 30 mm as a radius. Draw the horizontal line which passing through the center of the circle. As the center, we use center line that is smaller and larger. We extend this line. Now sixteen 70 mm long, so measure 70 mm. Now divide the circle into 8 equal parts because we rotate this axis to 30 degree. Okay, here we divide this circle into 8 equal parts. To project this point, okay, so we get this point. Now we rotate the axis. So basically, if this axis rotate 30 degree, so the base That means if this axis rotates 30 degree, now the base, this is 90 degree, so it is become 60. So we can draw first 60 degree here, then we draw the base on the line of 60 degree angle. Now if we make the divide the line, so the axis become, this one is must be 30. So if you want to draw it first, you cannot identify the point, the base point, okay, which is given 60 degree, 60 degree, as well as the length is already given, which is 60 diameter. So that's why we draw the base at 60 degree, then the axis naturally makes 30 degree to the plane. Okay, for that, so this one is 60, we use the set square. So the base is given how much, 60 diameter, so measure 60 now use the compass. Okay, we can get all the point. So if you name it, suppose one, if we extend this point line, this is become 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this one and 8. So this one become 8 dash, this one 1 dash and 7 dash, 6 dash and 2 dash, 3 dash and 5 dash, and this one become 4 dash. So 4 dash means this is your new 4. Okay, this is your new 4 dash 4. I measure it answering dash 4. So this one is also, you can use A, B, C, whatever may be. 4 dash. Now project this point and this point. Okay, now this is our 1, and this one is our 1 7. So this is our new one. This is 8, this one is 8 dash, so this one is our new 8. This is 7, and this one is 7, so this is our 7. This is 6, this one is 6, so this is our 6. This one is 5, and this is 5, so this one is our 5. This one is 4, this is 4, so this is our 4. This one is 3, and here it is 3, so this point is 3. And this is 2, and this is also 2, so this is our 2. So if we draw the axis, how we can draw? Just in this way you can draw. Otherwise, one more thing I can show you. As because this is 30, so you can use this also. Okay, you can use this. You make it center line better, because this is axis which is rotated 30 degree, and this one is become 70 mm long. So measure 70 mm. Join this. Now join this point with French curve. And one more thing, if you see from the top, this section is not visible. Okay, this section, if you see anything like this, you see from the top, so lower portion is not visible, so this portion is not visible. So for that, basically you have to arrange this. That the point should be tangent. If we arrange the French curve so that the point is tangent, then the curve will become very good. So this type of drawing, you can see if this is O, this is O dash, and this is your O dash, new O dash. So basically, and one more thing, you have to project the for side view, you have to draw vertical line first. Now project the point over here and make 45 degree, and project all the point from here, and the intersecting point will be your side view. Okay, so for that, extend all the point. This will be your reference line. Now shifted this point to 45 degree. Now this one is 6, this point, this line is 6, and here it is, this one is 6. So this is your 6 double dash. This one is your 7, and 7 is here. So this is your 7 double dash. This one is your 8, 4, and O. So 8 is here and 8 is here. So this is your 8 double dash. This one is 4 and 4 is here. So this is your 4 double dash. This one is O and this is your O. So this is your O double dash. This is 3 and 1. 1 is here. So this is your 1 double dash. And this is your 3 double dash. And this one is your 5 double dash. 5 is here and 5 dash is here. So the meeting point 5 double dash. And now the last one, this is 2 and the middle portion is 2. So this is your 2 double dash. Okay, now using French curve, we have to join all those lines. And from O, you can draw a tangent. So this is your final object. Draw the dimension. So 60 mm diameter, that means this one is 560. The height is 70 mm. Make sure that this line is parallel to the axis. So this was 70 mm. Don't write mm over here. Just write 70.